What is analytical query? So analytical query is a query that is produced from a model, or we can say data model, and this analytical query is written as DEX, which is data analyst expression. If you see every power visual which is in background produces a query that is an analytical query, and that is used to generate the visuals. However, you don't need to write an analytical query. It just happen automatically. And these analytical query has three phases, and these phases are: first is filter, second one is group, and third is summarize. Filtering, as we all know, that what is filtering, it is used to target a particular data or a particular report or particular visual. Okay, so used to target a particular report or a particular page or particular visual. Grouping, that means uh, dividing the data result into groups in the desired format, we can say. And summarize means what can we produce, what can it have in the result. For example, a data model can generate a sum. Sum will be called the summarization of the data, or count, or percentage of the data. So that is called summarization. Now let's take an example. I have a report, you can, which have this model. You can see we are gonna apply the analytical query on it. Let's see. From the previous part we learned that it has three phases, that is filter, grouping, and summarizing. So let's apply on this filter on this page. So let's first take a stacked column chart. Okay, let me just grab it and make it bigger so that it is become more visible to you. Okay, that's fine. Now I want to filter this chart on the basis of fiscal year. You can see, so I have to drag fiscal year from the data, from the date table, and paste it on filter on this page. Okay, I want to filter on a fiscal year 2020. Okay, now I want so for the grouping I want months from my data, and for that took I will take month from the date table and paste it, drag it into the x-axis. Okay, and for summarization, that means the amount, that is sum. We saw sum, summation of amount or counting. So I want sales amount. We can see I will just drag sales amount into my y-axis. Okay, so now you can see the chart is being prepared. Let me just make it more bigger. Okay, so in this way the analytical query has been generated for this, and you can see that the filter has been applied for specific fiscal year. And grouping, we have done grouping on the x-axis. by month, and for our summarization we have used sales amount, that is giving me the proper result, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So now take your own data and try it with yourself, because practice is more important than a video. So try it on.